Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel. This is Teacher Wilson Tutorials. You can reach us on YouTube and on Facebook. Today we are looking at questions involving reflection of light. Don't forget that waves have 5 main physical properties: reflection, refraction, diffraction, polarization, and interference. Now, for us to answer this question, you must know, as a good science student, the laws of reflection. There are 2 main laws of reflection. Law 1 says the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence all lie on the same plane. Don't forget the first law of reflection. It states that the incident ray, the normal, and the reflected ray at the point of incidence all lie on the same plane. Then the second law of reflection says that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. So let's take the question on the board. This is the ray diagram that is given. You can see that the incident ray is given and the glancing angle is given. Now, what is the glancing angle? The glancing angle is the angle that the incident ray makes with the horizontal, that with the plane mirror, with the surface of the plane mirror. The angle that the incident ray makes with the surface of the plane mirror gives you the glancing angle. But the angle the incident ray makes with the normal, that is the angle of incidence. Don't forget that. Then let's answer this question. Since the glancing angle is given, we want to look for the angle of incidence, angle of reflection, and the angle of deviation. It's so easy to solve. Now, what we need is, we need the normal. So we put the normal here. We also need the reflected ray, though it's not given. We need the reflected ray. So the angle here gives us the angle of incidence. The angle here is the angle of reflection. Then the angle here will give us the angle of deviation. Now, what is the angle of incidence? The angle of incidence is simply 90 minus 35. That is 55 degrees. Why do I use 90? This normal, the normal is an imaginary line that makes 90 degrees with the surface of the plane mirror. So the glancing angle plus angle of incidence gives us 90. So that is 90 minus 35. That is the angle of incidence. Then the angle of reflection is also 55. Why do we say so? The second law of reflection says that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Then let's take the angle of deviation using the formula 180 minus